what can you achieve with unlimited resources? Zuckerberg has basically just built the Suicide Squad here. So they've just gone and hired the best talent in AI. They've spooled up a brand new lab. They are going super intelligence labs. So there's a new company inside of Meta, and they've got the dude from Scale AI, Alexander Wang from Scale AI, running it. Then they've got all the best minds that basically, if you have a look at their resumes, have built the best models. They've done all the O models from, OpenAI. And it was funny because they were saying, no one can steal them. They love the mission. Do they? Or does money talk more?
I mean, when it's 100 mil signing, that's...
Yeah, bro. Well, come work with me. There's going to be something that makes people jump, and that's it. I am of the belief that with unlimited money and unlimited talent, like he's literally got unlimited talent, they can build whatever they want. They're going to build intelligence, which is going to go mental. Like everyone's competing for that. The thing that Meta has that no one else has is they actually make money. So they're not like, please, sir, give me more money to do my experiments. They're like, hey, we got money. Boom. Oh, what's going to happen? Our stocks might take a hit. Who cares? Let's go. This is how you actually run a company and build the next thing. And they're going to build Facebook better. It's going to be better AI than everyone. It's going to be, again, maybe Facebook has a bad brand. Maybe they just launched a new product. Like they launched Threads. Cool. No problem. They spool up a Twitter in a month? Like how long did that take? It wasn't like...
Yeah, they used Lovable, didn't they?
I'm just impressed because I'm like, look, at some level, you can literally just say, like, I just want the best of everyone. If you can get them to work together nicely, that's going to be the next challenge. Like, you have all the superstars. How do you get them to work together? Because, like, you're going to have a lot of ego.
Yeah.
But if you can make that work.
Neurodivergence.
Come on, Daryl. And then,
yeah, come on. You're talking about the smartest people on the planet in this one core thing. You think there's not going to be weird conflicts of like, I don't think models should be trained this way. I do.
I 100% believe. I think that's one of the biggest negatives by having all these people in the same room. And if you can figure, they can each be building different products, right? Like,
from what I understand, like Jack Ray was a big steal. And from what I understand, he's getting pretty much his own division just to explore. And I think there'll be a lot of that. It's like, we've got so much money that we don't need anything immediately, like a model. Yeah. So just go and explore, go and do the work that you were going to do. And this is the only thing I think it's like, it's not about money as much as it's about you do what you believe in AI needs to be doing in your own way. We'll give you money, we'll give you team, whatever you want. And that's what I think they actually stole everyone on. Because like, if you look at OpenAI, it has a path where it has to make money, and a lot of your work would have to be optimized for money. The type of person who's creatively thinking of what AI should be doing doesn't want to be like, oh, I've got to think about the business outcome of this. So if he can shield them from business outcomes and just let them do the best possible work in the space, then he can just the business outcomes out of it later.
He's nailed this. I'm like, watch this space, boys. I reckon this is going to be something solid. Like their model, like a little bit llama, a little bit of a flop. But I think with this kind of level of talent, like, because what I like to read here, it's like led the group, technical lead,
co-founder,
co-led.
Yeah.
They pretty much created all LLMs.
Previously created. Like you're not just the pioneered RL on chain of thought and co-creator. Like that is the person who made it. Like we all know. There's about 4 people in the business that actually do stuff, like at that level. There's 4 people and everyone else is just baggage down below. They're kind of like just doing all the nonsense. But the 4 brains in the company, and he's just gone, you know what? Thanks, you're on my team now. It's hard to write them off. Like I think Meta as a company is like, they adapt really well. Funnily enough, they actually adapt.
Like he spent $1 billion on the VR thing. He said, I'm going all in, $2 billion. And everyone goes, this is the end of Facebook. Still worth more than it was then. Yeah. Like, he just punts off $2 billion like it's nothing to test the thing, says I'm going all in on it, and then goes like, not right now, but we're still the best at it, and just move on. Stock price still go up.
Yep.
It's crazy.
Stock price go up. Yeah.
Yeah, man. It's pretty sick seeing this guy here from Maya, which is like 3D design tool. That just kind of gets me hyped around what that means.
I saw that too, yeah.
And the interesting thing I noticed going through the list is it's both back end and front end in terms of experience. So it's like product people, but then also technical people, which is cool.
And then look at this. You got previously at Meta for 11 years working on HHVM.
Yeah, that's cool.
That was the thing that made them actually be able to scale. Like that's... Dude, you got a brain there, right?
Sam Altman slams Meta AI's talent poaching spree. Missionaries will beat mercenaries. That tells you so much about how much this hurt. the way they've been acting about it. And there was another guy from OpenAI who was like, you came into the hen house and stole the chickens. Like,
this is the
shut
game.
the F up, firstly. This is the game.
Yeah.
And B, what are you not offering those people that they were willing to leave?
Yeah.
Did you tell them that they couldn't have more money? Probably not. You probably weren't like trying to protect the money.
Yes.
Something else is happening in the business. And it sort of tells me that everyone who thinks OpenAI will have AGI in 10 years is completely effing wrong. Because why would you leave a company that is on the verge of releasing the most powerful model that'll take over everything?
Yeah.
There's probably not much going for them. And like this sort of reveals it. Like, why would the best minds leave a company that was about to do the most important thing in AI in the next couple of years?
Yeah.
You wouldn't leave that even for $10 million, because you'd be like, I'm on the mission.
Because if you look through the list, you can see where most of the people came from. Most of the people came from OpenAI. Also, like, do you like Sam Altman? Do you like working for him? Do you like his mission? No. Is Zuck going to come in there and say, like, sell you a different mission? Because in the end of the day, that's all it is. It's the mission.
Yes.
And they say it's missionaries, mercenaries. It's like, yeah, but he's a mercenary with a mission. So it's like, that's like
the most dangerous kind of mercenary.
Yeah, it's like, I'm going to do
Rambo.
this, but you get heaps of money. And then also, I just think the biggest thing, like, for me is like, hey, bro, you know what we did with Instagram? Yeah, we spent $1 billion. Everyone laughed at us and said it was the most stupidest thing. Look what Instagram is today. It's the like biggest profit churner in the business. And it's like, we're going to do the same with you. You built OpenAI models and like, cool. But look at it. It's like GPT. Like, there's like,
it's insane.
50% of them came from OpenAI.
Also very exciting that Facebook is very pro open models for things.
Yes.
So the things they do, they will sell the product open models. And I think that sort of plays into their original strategy of like, get users on, sell them ads. It'll be the same thing. Get everyone using the best models on the planet, find a way of getting ads into it, essentially. Get a money model behind it because everyone uses the open model. So Facebook as a social media platform was an open platform anyone could use. The models will do the same and they'll find a way of monetizing that.
It's so interesting, right? Like how they open source that stuff. Whereas OpenAI is like this. Like
they have to make money. Yeah.
We're a missionary, but we won't give anything away. That's the whole point of a mission. Like, it's like, hey, we're building for mankind. Here it is. They're not doing that.
Great point. Makes Sam Altman look very hypocritical, man.
Closed AI,
Yeah,
dude.
That's BS. And like, look at all the things with Musk as well. He's like, bro, you said the whole point I punted money in here is because it's a non-for-profit, like doing better for the... It's open. Oh, no, sorry, bro. Not anymore. I don't even know how you back out of being non-for-profit into profit.
It's crazy.
Yeah, just lawyers. Yeah.
A couple of bits of paperwork we've got to file.
It's all just baloney. Yeah, I wouldn't really be aligned with him after that sort of thing, especially if you got... These are quite early people, I'm guessing, because you got 03, 04, what other models? You got any of the earliest models in OpenAI?
Well, the best model that came out was GPT-4, right?
Yeah, so that would be... 4 was like the first big one that came out. Yeah, so you've got the people who thought they were building an open model and it would get released at some point, found out it is never going to be released and Sam Altman wants to protect it for his own reasons. And now they're going to somewhere that publicly makes a lot of open models. It says a lot about that it's maybe not so much about the money.
I agree. I don't think it is. I think the money's great. But I'm like,
$10 million is cool.
They would have discounted as well. They would have said, okay, I can do the same. They in instant would have been like, I'll do the same. I'll do this. If you're really valuable, I'll do the same. Either they're not valuable to them or they are valuable. Because if the money would just be like OpenAI just signed a $30 billion deal with Oracle or something for a year to use all their compute.
Yeah, they got cash.
They got money. So it's like, it's not the money. Like 100 mil. Like I was even talking to my dad. He's like, it's just ridiculous. And I was like, yeah. But it's like me giving a 10 grand bonus to someone, like the difference in wealth. So it's like, here's 100 mil. And it's like, obviously you get the signing bonus, but you're locked into a contract for 5 years or whatever it is. Like that's how it'd have to be. It's like sport, which is also a whole nother side rant that you can go on. So funny.
How do you have these conversations and get all these people across at the same time? The orchestration behind this is fascinating because you've got headhunters, people going out having conversations, probably like physical location. People actually have to go and like trap this person on a train and say, hey, my name's so-and-so. Zuck wants to give you money. This is real. It's not a scam.
Zucked.
Here's how to, you've been zucked. Just put a paper bag over your head. Like, come with us.
You know what's good about him? You've seen this in leaked docs over time. He reaches out himself.
Yeah.
This is where he's a different class of person. He goes, hey, bro, Like, let's chat.
So
I
he
want to
got like
buy
a
you.
list of 50 and then he messaged them all, just
Yep.
like DM on
Yep.
Facebook.
I want to catch
I
up.
guess he's got access to everyone on the planet because he runs the contact platform for everyone on the planet. WhatsApp. What's his WhatsApp number? Like, you just go into the database. Can I have the WhatsApp number for these?
It'll be like legit. And then you get a Zuck verified, boom. Hey, bro, I want to chat to you.
So
And
true.
you go, cool.
You can like pop up an app notification for any of the Facebook apps you have. There's like, Mark Zuckerberg wants to talk to you for like all of those apps. WhatsApp notification thing, system
Your phone just
notification from
rings.
Zuck. Yeah.
Yeah,
Downloads
legit.
an app,
Like,
puts it on your phone. Zucked.
yeah.
Dude.
Like, I think that's just top tier. He's top tier. He's top tier. Well, good on you, Zuck.
He looks a bit silly there, but
Nah, I reckon he looks sick. What a
He's wearing his Ray-Ban glasses.
Is he on his comeback tour? Are we on the Zuck comeback
He's
tour?
on the comeback. He's done the comeback. He's already there, bro. He's done.
Dude, crazy.
He's
All right.
a boss.